Despite sa tanan na itong di ko okay na ko despite sa mga naitabo sa itong aba, the challenges and everything. But you know, let me say this. We're very strong. Dili kita mo bias sa itong pagtuon. That's why we're here. We're gathered here together because we are celebrating our faith. We are celebrating Señor Santo Niño. Right? Di kita mo biya no matter what. Maski kung sana, kay kanitanan mo agira. It will just pass. And I know your faith can save you. Our faith can save us. Viva Señor Santo Niño! Viva Señor Santo Niño! And at this time, I'm praying para sa atong tanan. This is my wish. During my birthday, I said, akong wish, tanan masalba.
Gabayan.
Tanan. Makasasa ka tanan, pero I know God is always there. Is always there. Santo Niño is always there for us.
Ikaw nga.
Love hapon kaayo ta. Thank you kaayo. Thank you so much. I love you too. Oh, you know what? Pag ingan jud ko I love you baka naging murgig mo kirig jud akong dunggan ba. Kanang mo kirig ang kanang kinatumyan sa akong heart. Kana ba mo na? But I love it so much. Hey, sorry ha. Okay ra mo. Okay lang. But kanang salamat kayo ha sa inyong pagtanaw na ako pag-cheer ha kagikulbaan ba yun ko ganina but I know nga dito ora gyapon man ako dili kanta na ako. Thank you. Huwag kang bumitaw. Umiiyak gabi-gabi, walang tinig na naririnig, nakikipaglag sa tikman na talagang hanggang kailan talo na, takot na. Kala ko ikaw sa akin pa pero hindi na pala. Wala na nga ba talaga? Bigla na ka lang sa katiling Sa magita mo bitaway, bitaway ha! Uli na ko. Thank you, darling. Thank you so much. Ito na. It's gonna be my last performance. And ako surprise ninyo. Butang pling ko. Put your hands together. Come on, come on. Nini miss you. Actually, nadyo kay miss din ko. Salamat jud kayo mga Cebuanos ha. Salamat jud kay sa tanan. Ngapit senyor. Thank you, Bingo Plus.
Hello,
Chet Padala!
it's you. I was wondering if after all these years you'd like to go over everything. They say that I'm supposed to heal you, but ain't done much here.
Hello, can you hear me? I'm in Cebu City dreaming about who we used to be when we were young and free. I've forgotten how it felt before the world fell out of me.
There's such a difference between us and a million miles. Hello from the other side. I must have fallen 1,000 times to tell you I'm sorry. Breaking your heart, but when I call you, never seem to be home. Hello from the outside. At least I can say that I tried to tell you I'm sorry for breaking your heart, but it's so hard. Really doesn't tear you apart anymore.
Put your hands together, come on, let's do it.
Mayang gabi, Cebu!
Yes! Jeff Padilla in the house! In Cebu City! Let's do it!
Oh, yeah!
She ain't real. She ain't gonna be able to love you like I will.
She is a stranger. You and I have history, or don't you remember?
Sure, she's got it all. But baby, is it really what you want?